Good morning, everyone. My name is Shalaya Liza Artajo, and today we are gonna make a piggy bank using recyclable bottle. These are the materials: charmy foam, sticker foam balls, and moving ice medium, and a strip of cartoons, cartoon, and construction paper, scissors, cutter, stick glue, and a glue gun, and a recycled Coca-Cola bottle. And next, we're gonna cut this using scissors. And now let's put our glue in the two parts. And now we're almost done. And finally decorate it. And now this is the circle for the nose for our piggy bank. And we're done to the nose. And now let's prepare the construction paper. We put another color, then you add the glue. And it's done. And we are gonna add another one. And let's cut it again. Okay, we're almost done. Only two colors left. And the last one. We're done. And now let's prepare the nose of our pig. And now we're done with the nose. And now let's put the color of our piggy bank.
the glue in here on the top. Just do it like that. Action only.
And now we're almost done. We're done. And now we're gonna put the ears. And now let's color the ear. Done. And now let's connect the ears to the body. Ta-da! And now we have to put the legs. We are done preparing the foot. And now let's attach it to the body. And now we are done with the foot. And then let's attach the nose. And now we're done with the nose. And now let's attach the eyes.
You can.
Let's put tail.
Don't push it hard.
We are done with the piggy bank. That's all, and thank you.